Hi, my name is Matthijs. I live in Europe, in the Netherlands, also Holland or the Kingdom of the Netherlands, and we speak Dutch. And we are famous, of course, for our wooden shoes, tulips, and windmills, like the beautiful one behind you right now. 20% of the country finds itself below average sea level. In 1953, we've had an enormous flood in the country, which overwhelmed the sea's defenses. Many people died and property was damaged, as you can see going through all these images around you right now. At this moment we are standing at the lowest part of the Netherlands. We are 6.74 meters below average sea level. It's 22.2 feet below sea level. It could sound very dangerous, but we have a way better sea defense system than in the 50s, so I'm not worried anymore.